day, everybody. This is Nelca Roco again. Since I have the Dialux Evo Pro, we are going to import IFC file today because I have one Revit file from my client, and let's see if it's working now here in my Dialux Evo Pro. All right, so let's open now first my Revit file and then convert this one into IFC and then import it into my Dialux Evo Pro. All right, so how to do it? I will just say now it's upgrading, okay, because this Revit file is from 2002 and now I have a 2024 Revit trial version, so it's automatically converting into upgraded one. Okay, I will just say, okay, close, and then it's opening now. All right, so this is my Revit file, and I don't know how to use it right now. So what I'm going to do is I'll just go to the view and maybe use 3D view. Yes, maybe zoom in. Where is my rotation? Because if you know how to use AutoCAD or other software, drawing software, you can easily navigate this one and say, for example, this view. Okay. And what is this? Okay. Anyways, I don't care. I don't know how to use the Revit now, but what we're going to do is just convert it. So go to the file and then export and then select this IFC file. And then I will just save this one into maybe desktop. Okay. And then I'll just say save. And then what is this? Okay, I don't know this one. So what I'm going to do is I'll just export it and let's see what will happen. Okay, so it seems like it's exporting now. Okay, so I think it's done. So let's go now to my Dialux Evo and then let's import that IFC file. I'll go to the desktop and find it. Okay, so I just imported the IFC file. It seems that the logo is like a PDF, this one. So that's how, because it's not showing the right logo for this Revit. It should be looking like IFC logo, but it's not showing. It's like PDF file. So that's why I'm confused. Okay, so let's go now and see. So what I'm going to do is select the file that I need to import. So do we need this kind of things? So the sketch, default, building, do we need to include the foundation? Stair, yes. Building, covering, curtain walls, doors, furnitures, railings, stairs, curtain walls, slab, columns, proxy, columns, railing. Okay, I think I just need to say everything. But if you saw something like plumbing or electrical, you can maybe uncheck that one. Or if you see something like not really necessary to your design, yeah, you can uncheck it. But for now, I'll just go and say finish. Okay, so it seems the IFC file is now here and it looks crazy. It's so small. And I think the original point is there. So I'll go to the plan view, zoom extent, and you can see that this is the origin of the origin, and this is the 3D file. So what I'm going to do, I'll just go to this set coordinate system, and I'll just place it here. And now it's zoom extend. Now it's there. Oh, look at that. I think the texture is gone. Those landscaping are all gone. So go and check the foundations. Okay, I think I need to put my base 10 again here. So this is the foundation. Okay. Next is ground story. I need to change again the origin. Okay, this is the problem because you need to always update. Ah, look at that. So this is the ground floor. Okay. Can I go to one room? This is the one room, another room. Okay. And another room. Unfortunately, it's not labeled yet, so you need to relabel it again. What is this? Oh no, this is the problem because this is supposed to be the kitchen or the laundry area. Okay. All right. So there are still some glitches here, and this is not good because you cannot run a calculation for this kind of rooms, and you cannot edit it, I think. Can you edit this one? Let's go to the, uh, yeah, cannot edit these rooms. So there are some rooms that are not good because, see, look at this one. Okay, I think this is okay, but some rooms are not okay. Right. And I don't know how it will affect the lighting calculation if there are broken rooms. So, yeah. Okay. Um, yeah, there are broken rooms and sometimes there are unnecessary rooms. So let's go to the first story. Okay, again, let's go and change the origin here and then zoom extent. There you go. So this is the second story. And let's check some rooms. Okay, so I don't see any thumb for the rooms. All right, so there are still glitches here. Either the Revit file has the problem, or this is one of the glitches of the Dialux Evo. Because see, I have a default, the whole site, and then the building. Okay, let's zoom in and change the origin again. And then I have the first story and then the second. Yeah, I have the first story, but I cannot see the other rooms. Like, for example, I go back to the ground story. See, there are selections of rooms here. But for the first story, it's not there. So there's no option for other rooms. All right. So I think there is something wrong with the Revit file or the IFC file, or something is wrong with the Dialux Evo Pro. Big problem because I cannot run a calculation with this kind of room because you need to make sure that every room is properly labeled. Okay, so let's go and try to create a calculation surface here. Maybe because this is the problem. So let's go to the calculation object and then, yeah, it's not picking because only those rooms that has yellow are the one that is considered as rooms. So for example, I will click here. Yes. So now I have a room and I have my downlights there. But you can see that other rooms are not considered rooms, especially this big one. So I think this is really a glitch. All right. So I think we really need to check that one again. Okay. So the conclusion is yes, you can still import the Revit file or the IFC file. Unfortunately, there are some glitches on the rooms. So maybe, just maybe, there is a little need to upgrade on this one. Okay, because we cannot run a calculation with this kind of situation, especially if there are broken rooms and missing rooms. So this is the update now for my Dialux Evo Pro, what I have right now. And yeah, I'll see you again on the next video for the updates. I will check this one again.